What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to create this photo transformation from this one to become the Midnight Spotlight with the cinematic noir vibe. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Nano Banana. However, if you would like to use it for free, then you can access it via Google AI Studio. So don't forget to do the login first with your email to access this Google AI Studio until you find this homepage like this. And where can we find the Nano Banana? So you can simply select this chat with models or this one. For example, I will start it from here, and make sure that you also select this images category and select this Nano Banana until you see the pop-up information ready to chat. And after that, you can start to select the image from your device like this. And after that, I will select it from my device. For example, this one, and select open. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and basically the prompt gonna be like this. And if you'd like to try it, then don't worry, because you can also try this prompt by copy it from the description box. So you can try this. Change this picture into the cinematic square format 1:1 black and white portrait of a person in this attached photo under a single overhead spotlight in a dark alley. And also it has the high contrast, dramatic shadows, glistening rain on the skin. And also it has the 8K resolution, photorealistic, sharp focus on the face, and also natural film grain, light leaks, creamy bokeh, professionally graded, straight from the film noir scene. And also, since this picture or behind this woman in this photo has a lot of people behind, so I try to put another prompt or add the prompt to be no one but the person in this attached photo. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result. And also don't forget to adjust the ratio here. Make sure that this gonna be 1:1 ratio. And kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, to generate this picture, that will consume approximately 15 seconds. So make sure that your connection is good. And I will be honest with you too, by using this same prompt, you can also will have the possibility to have the different look of the picture. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. And let's say if you'd like to use it for the poster or the photo profile, then you can use it too. And in case if you'd like to get another look, then you can start to click this, rerun this turn, and kindly wait for the result. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.